For this project, I used single crochet and double crochet stitches only, hook 4mm and 1mm current yarn. Before we begin, here's a quick look at the pattern. The cuff, I combine 2 yarn like this. For the rest of the top, I use only 1 yarn like this. I'll chain 10. Then chain 1 to start a new row of single crochet. I'll mark this 1 chain for the next row. I'll increase 4 stitches here. So work a row of single crochet. Skip the chain I mark and work on the back of the second stitch. At the end of the row, I'll not chain 1. Instead, I just turn my work and work row of single crochet right in the last stitch like this, and I'll work 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 10. And now for the chain I mark, I'll work first 2 single crochet, one, 2, and then chain 1 and work 2 more single crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2. Now I'll work 10 single crochet left for this row. 10. And also turn my work to work a new row. This row will be 12 single crochet, 12 single crochet until here. I'll work 4 stitches again. Now I'll work 4 stitches in this one here. Start with 2 single crochet first and then chain 1 and 2 more single crochet. 1, 2, and then chain 1 and 2 more. Now I'll work 12 more single crochet for this row. 12. Now I'll turn my work and repeat the process. This row will be 14 single crochet and then 4 stitches and 14 more single crochet. I'll keep you updated each row. My cup is 7.7 inches, which is 19 centimeter length and 14.5 centimeter width, which is 5.7 inches width. After finish 2 cup, I'll work with only 1 yarn, so I'll cut one off. I'll connect 2 cups together like this by crochet 1 row of single crochet from here to here and go there. And to start, I'll chain 1 and work single crochet. And then connect them together like this. And keep working single crochet to this side. Now I'll crochet the back from here to there to connect these together as a round. And I'll start with chain 2 and do double crochet here. I'll chain 3 and work 3 double crochet and then chain 3 again and turn my work and work 3 more double crochet. I'll repeat the process until this back panel have a length about 50 centimeters, and then I'll join the end of this to this one here. I'll stop here because with this length, when join it together like this, I can pull it over my hips so I can wear it from bottom up. This is 44 centimeters. Now I'll use slip stitch to join it together like this. This is what it looks like after I crochet the back and join them together. Now I'll make a bottom with the double crochet rows. I'll start with chain 3 and then do double crochet. For each double crochet, I'll make 3 double crochet. This is the next double crochet and I'll work 3 double crochet here, and the same for the rest of this. Just like that, and then when I reach here, I'll also work double crochet all around this, but 1 double crochet to each stitch until I go here. I'll close the rows by slip stitch here. So at the end of the row here, slip stitch to close it, and then chain 3 to start a new row. I still work double crochet. After 5 rows of double crochet, now I'll make a ruffle. Start with chain 3. These 3 chains will act like 1 double crochet. Then I'll do 1 more double crochet, chain 1, and 2 more double crochet. Next, work 2 double crochet in the next stitch, then chain 1 and do 2 more double crochet. Repeat this one all around. I'll make a ruffle here in the front under the 2 cups. Start from here. First row, I'll chain 3 and then do double crochet in the same stitch, and then for the next stitch I'll do 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. That means 2 double crochet in the same stitch and chain 1 in between. Repeat that technique until we are here, the other side of the front. When we finish the last stitches under the cup, turn our work and slip stitch to the center of the 2 double crochet like this, and then start a new row. First chain 3 and then do double crochet, then work in between the next pair of 2 double crochet like this. Repeat that until we reach the other side again. I work the last row 4 just like this row here. 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. I will use the yarn to make a strap. Now I'll make a row of single crochet all around this. When I get here, I'll make a row of single crochet here to the strap. I just made one row of single crochet from here to over there, same for here and there too. Now I'll make a ruffle like this. Repeat the process of making this ruffle, but I'll make it here all over this strap. Start from here like this. Row 1, I'll work pair of double crochet. Go into each single crochet we worked before. One double crochet, then chain 1 and one more double crochet. Just like that to make row 1 of the ruffle. I just finished rows 2. Now I'll make rows 3 like the last row of the ruffle, which is 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Now the final step, I will use this yarn. Once the top is finished, weave a long drawstring through the top. Start at the center between the 2 cups, then thread it along the inner edge of the 1 cup, up through the strap, across the back to the other strap, back around to the front, and finally along the inner edge of the 2nd cup until you return to where you started. After putting on the top, simply tighten and tie the drawstring for a perfect snap fit around the bust.